Let's see how to build an AI chatbot on Telegram from scratch as a complete beginner. So let's get started over here. So first of all, I'm in a demo account with these channels connected. So here we don't have a Telegram channel connected. So we want to connect the Telegram channel. So you can simply click on channels right here, or you can access the same channels option through the settings as well. So here I clicked on channels, and here I am in the settings, channels over here. So here you will have to choose the Telegram right here and click connect. So if you are not sure how to connect it, we have a helpful guide on the instructions on how to connect it. So here, this is how you actually connect your Telegram account. So here, let me click on learn more right here, and it will simply opens the Telegram automation guide. So here you will have to actually create a new bot on Telegram. For that, you will have to use the official Telegram bot father to create your bot, and here you can use a new bot right here, and you have to get your new bot token and simply enter right here to create or connect your Telegram bot within our platform to build any sort of automations. So that's simple as that. So let me share my phone screen right here. So here I'm in the mobile, and as you see here, I am actually chatting with the bot father right here. So here let me click on start right here and see what sort of options we are seeing. So here we want to choose the new bot. So here create new bot, you can tap on here or simply type as new bot. So let me tap on right here, and it simply asks for the name, how we are going to call it. Please choose a name for your bot. So let me say demo Chatic Media. So let me keep a space right here as well, demo Chatic Media, and send it. Let's see what happens. Good. Now choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot like this. For example, Tatty's bot or this like this. So here let's choose demo Chatic Media, and we have to end this in bot. So here let's just simply say demo Chatic Media bot, simple as that, and send it. Let's see if we have this username available, and it's actually have it. And here this is the bot created, and you will have to use a get or copy this particular token to connect your Telegram bot. So here let me go to the settings, channels, Telegram, click connect. So I have actually already copied that particular Telegram token, so let me paste it. So here this is the token. So if you check here, this is the exact token I just paste right here, and let me click continue. So it should actually connect our Telegram bot right here, and it says success. And as you see here, the Telegram bot is already connected. Now we can actually build an AI chatbot on this particular Telegram chatbot or channel. So here the easiest and the fastest way is to just provide your business information in our settings right here. So here if you go to settings, and here integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT, and here you will need to connect your API keys right here. So if you're wondering how to get your API keys, you can simply get your API keys from your OpenAI accounts. For that, you can simply click on Help Center Guides right here, and in Help Center Guides choose OpenAI, because that is the integrations we want to integrate. And here you can get your OpenAI key just clicking the link. It will take you directly to the link where you can actually create your own API keys right here. So that's a quick tutorial on how to get your API keys. So once you have get your API keys, you can simply enter whatever the business information right here. So let's say we want to create an AI chatbot for this gaming company called as Phoenix Interactive. So here we have some information about that particular company, such as key products, services, contact information, along with the team members, and also some sort of frequently asked questions as well. So likewise, you can create a similar kind of business information for your own business as well. So let me simply copy this information right here, and let's use the business prompt over here, and let me simply replace the business information right here. So here you can simply add a prompt saying you are a helpful assistant to, and let's name the company right here. Respond to customers' question in just 1 to 2 sentences. This is a very simple prompt right here. Let's say 1. So here this is a simple prompt. You are a helpful assistant to this particular company. Respond to customers' question in just 1 to 2 sentences. And here we have all the information about the company, and here you can keep this one right here. So by default you will see connect user to human. So what does that mean? So if a particular customer is interested in talking to a human at any point of the conversation, it will simply transfer the conversation to the human, and here you can choose whatever the models you want to use. So like you can choose GPT-4o model, GPT-4 or turbo. Likewise, let's choose GPT-4o model right here and click continue. And here you can simply switch on these automated responses. So whatever the business information we have provided right here will be used to answer any sort of customers questions right here, and click save. So this can simply work on all these connected channels right here, not only just a Telegram, but we are going to see how this actually works on the Telegram as well. So here the Telegram ID or the bot is demo chatting media bot. So we have to actually open this particular demo bot in Telegram. So you have to search for this ID in Telegram, demo chatting media bot. So here I have actually opened my Telegram chatbot right here. So here I'm in demo chatting media bot right here. So let me go to the settings right here, so we can check whatever the business information right here and see how this actually answer the question. So let me share my phone screen right here. Alright, so let's press start over here. So here you can even add a welcome message as well. So when they press start, you can send some sort of welcome message as well. I will show that in a minute. Let's simply press start right here. So here we haven't set any sort of welcome messages, so we haven't received any messages. So let me simply send a message hi right here and see what happens. And it says hello, how can I assist you today? So let me ask the question, who is the CEO? And it simply says Sarah Johnson, and as you see here, this is the CEO. And you can even ask any sort of questions right here. So for example, let's ask about the address. So let's see, where are you located? Let's see how this actually responds to us. We are located at this particular location, and here let's send a voice message right here and see what happens. So we have to tap and hold to record. So where are you located? So I actually sent a voice message saying where are you located, and see if it actually sends us a response back. And it simply sends us a response back in the voice format itself. So that's a beautiful thing about this. So if a customer send a voice input, it simply respond to them in the voice input as well. Now whatever the conversation happening right here will be tracked through the omnichannel inbox as well. So here if we go to the inbox right here, so let me open the inbox on a new tab right here. So here you can track all the conversation happening right here, and this is the voice message we received. So let me play.
Market Street, San Francisco, CA. We are located at 1234 Market Street, San Francisco, CA 94103, United States.
Simple as that. So let's see how does this auto human assignment work. So if a particular customer actually wants to talk to a human, and if they say can I talk to a human agent, something like that, then this particular chatbot will be posted, and this particular conversation will be assigned to the human folder as well. So here you have all conversation, bot and human folder. So now it says bot is active. So let me say can I talk with an agent. So our platform automatically handle these sort of inquiries and assign the conversation to the human agents. So as you see here, I have connected you to a human agent. They will assist you shortly. And as you see here, the bot active is gone. Now if we go to the human folder, we should see this conversation. So if we go to the bot folder, we no longer see that particular conversation. So here a human agent can chat with the customer, send any sort of messages. They can even book appointments for this particular customer using the calendar right here. So here they can choose whatever the calendar, they can send appointment links to the customer, or they can even go to the calendar and book appointments by themselves as well. So here I send this sort of message right here, and if we go to the inbox, here we got this message. And if a particular customer respond right here, they won't get any sort of responses, because at the moment the conversation is actually handled by a human agent. So now if we actually assign this particular conversation back to the chatbot right here, it says transfer conversation to bot. Now the particular conversation will be answered by the AI chatbot. So here, if we ask some sort of question, what is your Instagram ID? So we have provided the Instagram ID in the business information, and here it's simply our Instagram handle is this one, simple as that. So that's a quick video on how to create a simple AI chatbot on Telegram. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.